Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Job Panda, and today's job update is from RCFL and it's stand for Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited. Today's job update is mainly for the degree holder of the branches Chemical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical Engineering and Instrumentation Engineering. There are other posts also, but we will not discuss those posts and we will restrict our discussion to the post of the management trainee for these respective branches. Okay, so let's see what are the criteria and other things. So first of all, the name of the post is management trainee chemical. Number of vacancies are total 60, unreserved is 24, SC 9, ST 5, OBC 16, EWS 6. The education qualification is chemical engineering, BE or BTech in chemical engineering, and minimum percentage criteria is also there, that is 60% marks, and maximum age is 25 years of age for general category. For SC/ST it is 30 years of age, and for OBC 28. This minimum percentage criteria and the maximum age criteria will remain same for all the other branches also. Okay, so management trainee boiler, this you cannot fill except those who have the boiler operation engineer certificate, that is BOE certificate. This certificate is provided in power plant for the professionals who are working in a power plant. So let's leave it and come to the management training mechanical. The total number of posts are 48, and for unreserved 20, for OBC 7, for SC 3 and ST 13. Okay, these are the respective posts, and the desirable qualification is mechanical, BTech in mechanical engineering, and the next is management training electrical. Total number of posts are 22, for unreserved 19, and for the other 4, 1, 6 and 2 respectively. Okay, the qualification is degree in electrical discipline, and the minimum percentage criteria and age criteria remains same. Now the next is the management training instrumentation, and the total number of posts are 35, 14 as for unreserved, 6 to 10 3 for other categories. Okay, now the there is another vacancy for the students having chemical engineering, and it is for the OBC backlog. Okay, these are the backlog vacancies which are not filled in the previous year. The number of posts are 10 for these, and these are only for the OBC candidates. Now these all are for the operator, so let's skip all those things, and you can find the detailed advertisement, apply link, all these things in the description box of this video, so please do check it. And you will also find the Telegram group link where you can daily get the latest job update, so please join that Telegram group. Now the next important thing which we need to see is the eligibility criteria. The age, as we have earlier mentioned, that age is 25 for the unreserved category. The age will be calculated on this date, that is 31st July 2020. Application fees will be 1000 rupees, and for SC/ST, PWD candidates it is free of cost. One more important thing for the SC/ST candidate is that they are also provided the to and fro fare for giving the written test also. Okay, so this is a very important announcement for the SC/ST candidates. Their application fee is free of cost, and they are also provided the train fare for giving the written test. Now the management trainee will be undergoing for 1 year training, and during the training you will be provided 30,000 rupees per month, and the after 1 year training you will be absorbed in E1 grade in the scale of 40,000 to 14 this, and roughly it will amount to 70,600 rupees per month. Okay, and there is a bond also for 1 lakh rupees if you fail to serve the company for minimum period of 3 years after completion of training, means from the date of joining you need to serve the company for 4 years. Now the selection process. Selection process comprises of online test and personal interview. Online test will be conducted in the major cities, in the almost all the major cities of India like Bhopal, Delhi, Lucknow, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Guwahati, Kolkata, Mumbai, Nagpur. The medium of test will be bilingual. It will be in Hindi and English. And here it is that I was talking about the outstation candidates belonging to SC/ST reserve category called for online written test will be reimbursed to and fro rail/bus fare. This is for mainly for the SC/ST candidates. Now the syllabus and the pattern of the test. The online test will have two parts. It will consist of total number of questions will be 100. 50 questions will be from your discipline and 50 questions will be from general English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning and general knowledge. And there will be negative marking for wrong answer as well. And each question will carry 1 marks. They have not mentioned the how much they will negative. They have not mentioned the actual negative marking, that it is 1/4 or 1/3, but I hope it will clearly mention while you will give the examination. There you can easily find it. Now the personal interview. The interview will be, for the interview the students will be selected in the ratio of 1:7. It means that 7 eligible candidates will be called upon for the single post. And there will also be reimbursed to and fro second tier AC train/bus fare for interview. This is for all the category, whatever you are general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST. Now the parameter, the respect of management training. Online test will have weightage of 80%, whereas the personal interview will have weightage of 20%. And the next important thing is the application will start from 29th June 2020 and it will end on 15th July 2020. This examination they are conducting very fast. Their process, as they have shown the dates, they have mentioned the important dates. In by seeing all those things, it feels that they are conducting this process very fast. They have also mentioned the date of examination, the result declaration date they have also mentioned. So let's check all those things. The tentative date of examination is 16th August 2020 and tentative date of result they have also mentioned it, and it is 24th August 2020. That means they are only taking 8 days for declaring your results. So this is the RCFL recruitment, and please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest job update. Thank you.